you, all of my mom's gems, clicked on this video. What am I doing again? If you clicked on this video, this is a head scratching moment right now. Still a head scratching moment.
Closest to me, Mercury, the smallest planet, small as Earth's moon. I get super hot and cold, and it's been.
If you're new to the Gem Gang, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Yeah, we're coming home to every boy and girl. Boy and girl.
Hello, Gems. Today we will be doing a protein treatment on what I try to call curls, but I don't know what this, whatever this is.
The smush of hair types.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think you're probably like a.
I don't know the terms for them, but I got coil curls in the back. Then it's like an afro in the middle.
This, I said this is like a 3C. I don't know. It's just.
It's everything.
Different. You're nowhere near a 4.
What's a 4?
Me.
Oh, yeah.
You get on my nerves. Alright, so.
It's kind of dry. I don't know the actual steps that she's going to be taking, but.
If you watched my protein treatment, I'm using the same stuff I used in my scalp therapy bottle.
The Bella.
And then I have some in here, like I said. And then a spray bottle. Some clips. Oop. Some clips and some ponytail holders because her hair is like super thick. So let's get started, and I'm about to watch my movie.
I'm tender-headed, by the way, so yeah, I might hear some.
For real. You want to trim too?
Sure. My edges?
Pretty as ever.
No, your ends.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Not my edges, because last time.
I told you not to let me do it, but no, you wanted to be impatient.
Who do I love? Huh? Who do I love? You know I love you.
Y'all, I tried to let her cut my side afros. So I originally have a mohawk, if y'all can't tell. But
I need the shirt.
yeah, we're not gonna talk about it.
Don't. Hines, turn. Not you look at the curls.
I want to be transparent, Deanna. I'm in love with you.
Wow. Okay.
Get your ass on. Move. Zeus.
Look at these curls.
She's also on a series of small billboards downtown, and she has a pretty respectable social media following. Don't touch me. Stay in the car, please.
And for this, your hair feels so good.
When it's taken care of, it's actually pretty good.
I ain't never seen a back do this.
First of all,
I've never seen the back do this.
First of all, don't be doing me. First of all. Second of all.
Kai, can you do me a favor? Can you grab that red shirt over there on the floor?
Yeah, so you can put your shirt back on.
Yeah, I feel uncomfortable.
We're gonna have to edit all that out.
I can, no, I can zoom in. Like, well, yeah, I can edit it, zoom in. Dan, did he leave this far?
I'm so disappointed in Dan.
I don't know. Like, that's just.
That didn't even take a lot to come through. It's probably because it wasn't curly.
Yeah.
Dang, already?
No, not that. That's just with water. Okay, now watch this.
My hair likes water.
No, your hair like this protein treatment.
Hi. Oh my
I
God.
say, it'd be even worse if she
Okay,
was
now watch this guy.
No.
Yeah,
No,
okay,
it was
well, you
not.
know what?
Ugh.
No good. I knew that, the first time he tried to make you drop out of college. What kind of man makes his pregnant wife drop out of college with 1 year to go, huh?
I wouldn't have dropped out.
You're upsetting Razzle.
I'm sorry, Rick.
Hey, and he
That wasn't even upset.
drop out of school. Dan and I decided that together.
We had too much fun last night. Kai, you want to see some footage?
Jesus.
School, and thought it was more important than
Auntie Dana over there trying to take her selfie.
And I was always supposed to go back and just never
Where are you guys?
You better hope.
What is that? Zeus. Is he rolling on
He
my
just
clothes?
rolling around.
Yeah. He,
Look.
Look, wow. Look, Kai.
What about a ham sandwich?
Don't make that face. Don't do that.
Babe,
Did
that
you
was,
see? Did you see him?
yes, that's a huge transformation.
She's too upset to eat.
I'm looking at just me, Mom. How she transformed your hair into curls. Well,
Look, babe, I want you to see it.
well, like, stop stretching your butt on Mom's floor,
I
baby.
forgot Destiny followed me.
What?
I forgot she followed me.
He punched it.
Zeus.
Oh, babe, that's your hair with water. That mess is your hair with water. Now watch this. Booty.
Y'all hear how they keep talking smack about my hair?
Who?
Y'all.
No? What do you
Look at
mean?
this.
It does look like ocean waves.
This your hair did not do this with water.
I'm trying to be true. Your hair does look like ocean waves.
Listen.
Okay, so I am all done. I'm gonna go ahead and put her hair in a shower cap. Let it sit for like 20 or 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it out. And then we'll be back to let her go on about her business.
Hey guys, we're back. Playing Madden here.
So I rinsed out the protein treatment after like an hour and a half. Just because I cooked, and look at this.
Curls is popping.
Her hair is still like this middle part, it just, I don't know. But she do have some curls back here.
You do what you want when you pack.
Her hair is soft. Feel your hair so you can confirm.
Ooh. Yes.
Her hair is very, very, very soft. I wish you would
Yeah,
have felt
this-
it the first.
I wish they could have felt it because I already know what it felt like. It was rough
yeah.
out here. In them.
Oops, sorry, my bad. Y'all, look at these curls. I just wish this middle would,
Oh, snaps. Oh.
would do something. So yeah.
Let me
I
see the
mean,
middle.
I didn't.
Still kind of
Yeah, it's still kind of
afro-ish.
afro-ish. Not as curly. You ain't got no edges.
Shut up.
I'm done.
Yeah, whatever.
And that is the end of her protein treatment. How do you feel about your hair?
It feels really good.
Does it?
Uh-huh.
It is softer than what we started with.
Yeah.
Cause
Yeah, I'm not going to keep downplaying my hair. Okay.
I love you.
Love you too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Gems. Bye. And to continue to play Madden. Probably watch a movie.
I want to watch a movie until it's time to take a nap. Please.
Thank you
Please.
for watching.
Please.
You interrupted my outro. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.
Yeah, guys. Bye, Gems.
I'm a mother's fucking juice. Spin the fastest,
Plus I'm handsome. Blam, son. Oh, please, I'm Saturn. Check out my beautiful rings. Made up of billions of rocks, dust, and other things.
I'm Uranus. I say that with pride. Okay, I lied. I'm embarrassed because I'm the only planet lying on its side.
Alright, Gems, that's the end of this video. Thanks for subscribing, and we will see you on the next video. Bye, Gems.